Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Legends crashing problem. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do, click here. First go to view advanced system settings, and now go to settings, then click adjust for best performance, and then click apply and OK, and then just close it. You can make it for best appearance whenever you want. Now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now you will need to make sure that you have the latest updates. First go to Windows, update settings, check for updates, and if you find an update, just install it, and do the same thing here in GeForce Experience. If you can't find this application on your computer, just download it from any browser, and then go to drivers, and here you can find the latest update for your graphics card, so just download it and then install it, and that's it. Then go to settings and scroll down and enable this one, image scaling, and I hope that can help you. And if that also doesn't fix it, now the last thing you need to do, go to enable Xbox Game Bar and turn off this option. I hope that can help you, and please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.